And now on to an update on the two Broward Sheriff deputies fired after the Parkland school shooting.
A judge ruling they should get their jobs back. Local 10's Janine Stanwood live in Parkland with this update. Janine.
That sergeant and the deputy accused of not doing enough to stop the shooter right here at Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High. And today, a judge, though, agreed with arbitration that they should get their jobs back.
Another win for two Broward Sheriff's law enforcement officers fired in the wake of the Parkland massacre. A judge ruling today they should get their jobs back with back pay and other benefits. Deputy Josh Stanbaugh and Sergeant Brian Miller were fired by BSO Sheriff Gregory Toney for failing to confront the shooter that Valentine's Day. The MSD Commission found Miller was the first supervisor to arrive at the school, but did not make his first radio call until about 7 minutes later. Parkland parents were enraged. The sheriff's office fought back in court when both were reinstated after arbitration, but the head of the BSO Deputies Association tells us today the judge also ruled they should get their jobs back because they were terminated improperly.
And the head of the BSO Association, Jeff Bell, spoke to us on Skype just a short time ago. Here's what he had to say.
Well, it means a lot to all of the employees, specifically Sergeant Miller and Deputy Stanbaugh. It means that the judge has reaffirmed two independent arbiters' decisions that BSO violated their own policy, their own collective bargaining agreements, and the state law that requires them to impose final discipline within 180 days.
However, this is not sitting well with some Parkland parents. Lori Alhadef, who also is a school board member, told me via text that her daughter Alyssa and, quote, 16 others are no longer here because of failures and inactions by many, including Miller and Stanbaugh. It is painful for me, she says, to once again see that there is no accountability. We have reached out to the Broward Sheriff's Office to see what their next plan is. If they plan to appeal, we'll let you know. We're in Parkland. I'm Janine Stanwood, Local 10 News.
All right.